In today's video, we're diving into how to use PartnerStack's API for affiliate program customization. Whether you're just starting or looking to tweak your program, this quick guide will walk you through the basics, with actionable tips to help you optimize your affiliate setup using PartnerStack's powerful API. You can actually start using PartnerStack for free. Check out the link in the description below to access a special deal with exclusive bonuses. Stick around because I'm going to give you some pro insights that you'll want to implement right away. PartnerStack's API is a game changer for affiliate program management. It allows you to fully customize and streamline how affiliates interact with your program, making everything from tracking to payouts smoother. Whether you need real-time data or want to automate specific workflows, the API gives you the flexibility to make it happen. One of the first things you'll want to do is integrate the API into your existing systems. PartnerStack offers a well-documented API, so even if you're new to software development, you can easily connect it to your CRM or other tools. Once integrated, the data flow between PartnerStack and your systems is seamless, making affiliate management more efficient. Customizing your affiliate program through the API means you can tailor it to your specific needs. You can define custom commission structures based on specific affiliate actions, such as signups, purchases, or even engagement. You also have the flexibility to create custom affiliate dashboards, which will show your affiliates only the data that matters to them, ensuring a smooth user experience. Another powerful feature of the API is the ability to manage and monitor your affiliates in real time. With just a few API calls, you can pull data on affiliate performance, allowing you to make quick decisions about who to reward and how much commission they should earn. This real-time insight is crucial for scaling your affiliate program effectively. What makes PartnerStack's API even more valuable is its flexibility in managing payouts. With the API, you can automate commission payments based on predefined rules, ensuring timely payouts to your affiliates. Plus, you can customize payment methods and even add bonuses or promotional payouts based on affiliate performance. Now, if you're thinking about scaling your affiliate program, the API also lets you handle large volumes of affiliates without breaking a sweat. You can programmatically manage new affiliate registrations, approvals, and even custom workflows. This automation allows you to focus on growing your program instead of spending time on repetitive tasks. PartnerStack also offers webhooks, which allow you to receive notifications when important events occur, like an affiliate making a sale. This is incredibly useful for automating follow-ups, sending reminders, or even triggering rewards instantly when an affiliate reaches a milestone. So, by using PartnerStack's API, you're not just managing your affiliate program more effectively, you're optimizing it for growth. Whether you're a small startup or an established business, the level of control and customization you get with this tool is unmatched. If you're ready to start customizing your affiliate program and optimizing every aspect of your partner network, don't forget to take advantage of our exclusive extended free trial through the link below. This will give you full access to everything PartnerStack's API has to offer, without the commitment. That's it for today's quick guide. I hope you now have a clear understanding of how to use PartnerStack's API for affiliate program customization. If you found this video helpful, hit that link below for your free trial and start building a more powerful affiliate program today. Thanks for watching.